Have you ever come across a picture or photo online that has a grainy, beautiful, and almost nostalgic feeling to it? I have, and I've tried to recreate it, and no matter the settings or filters I use, I cannot get it. I failed. My name is Juan Vera, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to take pictures in a film camera. Film camera is actually responsible for these kinds of pictures, and they're going to help you achieve that grainy, nostalgic look in your photos. The first thing that we're going to do is you're going to take a look around at your camera. This one is automatic, it's a Canon T50, but almost all of them have the same settings and everything. But the main thing we're going to take a look is the ISO. The ISO stands for International Organization of Standardization, and that setting actually controls how much bright or how much dark goes into your picture. This is tied with the film ISO, which in this case is 400. So I'm gonna match that to my ISO setting in the camera. I already have it matched, and I'm gonna continue to open it. To open it, you just gotta grab the lever, the adjustment lever, and then you're gonna pull it up till you fit a click. Now you're gonna open the compartment, and you're gonna grab your film, put it upside down in the roll chamber. You're gonna put the thing back, and see, you already grabbed it. You're gonna grab the edge, and you're gonna try to pull it till this orange line, and this is the chamber where you're gonna start taking pictures. After you put the chamber there, you're gonna try to take some pictures in S, and after about 3 minute tries, it's actually gonna take pictures. This is because these are trial runs, so the actual rolling mechanism of the camera catches the film and starts taking exposures. So let's go ahead, and it's already at 1, but at 2. And once you know that this has actually happened, is because this setting, well, this part right here, will actually roll with the picture. That's how you know that it's actually taking pictures. After you have everything set up, you're free to take as many pictures as you want. And how do I take it off? Well, you just gotta open this lever again and start spinning it clockwise. So you start putting the roll back in. After you put that, you just pop it up after you have film. No tension. Grab it, and there's your roll. Now you just gotta take it to a photo lab or a development lab, and they're gonna take the pictures and scan them for you. And that is how you can take pictures in a film camera.